Fix Snapchat verification code not sending troubleshooting problem guide for mobile. So if you're not getting verification code, probably you tried to send yourself code too many times. So Snapchat, put your account into spam and disabled your SMS or your verification code for a certain period of time. So usually wait for 2 or 3 hours and try to send yourself a code. It probably and usually works. And also check your network. If your network, I'm not talking about internet, I'm talking about your network. If your network is poor or your network is not working, fix that, because you get verification code on your SMS. If it is an email, then basically just having your Wi-Fi work is good. But if you get verification code on your SMS, you need to have a working network connection. So check that, make sure your network connection is stable. Even after doing all this problem, if it's still not working, then just delete the app and reinstall it again. Sometimes doing this fixes the bug and fixes your problem. But that's how we guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.